Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you're existing, thank you for coming back. So I'm using my Sephora hydrating moisturizing cream. It has avocado and a lot of good things inside. And also I'm gonna make sure I rub that in really good. Alright, my e.l.f. hydrating coconut mist. I'm going to use that. Make sure my face is very hydrated. Dry that down a little bit. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I just bought it. When I see Luminous, I was like, I have to have it because people with dry skin, you want to make sure your skin is glowing, okay? So it's really good. Oh my god, guys. It felt so soft. That's what I was trying to say. Like, oh my god. Love it. And it's only $8. Can't beat it. Alright guys, this is my MAC paint pot and the shade, I think, Laying Low. It's really good. This is to make sure that you don't have any creasing in your smile area. As you can see, I have a very big smile, and I make sure I don't really want a lot of creasing, so I use this. I got it from a YouTuber, a well-known YouTuber. Well, she's getting up there, but it was a great trick and I love it, and I'm glad I got it from her. Make sure you blend it out. Don't worry about it. It's gonna look like that, but the foundation will cover it up. No worries. Now, that's my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm actually trying it out. Let's see how it does. Alright, I'm concealing under my eyes. The whole purpose is to go from light to dark, not dark to light. It's not pretty, and I noticed that this concealer gets very cakey and it dries out very fast. That's one thing I did not like. Okay guys, so I am trying a different method. I'm going to be putting everything on at once. It saves me way more time because I'm not gonna lie guys, when I'm doing my makeup, I take a long time. So when I'm applying it like the normal way, layer by layer, it takes a lot of time. And so when my last video, I'm actually posting 2 videos, this one and another one. In that video, I had to cut at least 54 minutes in recording time, so I had to cut a lot of the parts out so you guys won't be watching forever. So this definitely saves way more time, so I prefer to do it this way, and I'll probably still do the other way, but I don't know, no matter how fast I think I'm going, I'm just like, no. Alright loves, this is my Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the shade 334 Warm Sun. This is my exact shade. Nothing lighter, nothing darker. I'm that type of girl that likes to stick within her shade range, so I'm very specific. This is my favorite beauty blender. It's only $1.55 on Shop Miss A's website. Love it. So soft. It does the work. Okay, so like, I'm not gonna lie, I was super nervous like about trying this method, so hopefully it turns out great. We'll see at the end. Don't worry, I got you guys. I guess I know what I'm doing. Okay my love, so tip, whenever you are blending your concealer under your under eye, you want to make sure that you're looking upwards, okay, not downwards, because it'll crease. So you want to make sure you get in that area very good. That's just a tip, and I feel like if you're blending downwards, it kind of just defeats the whole purpose. Anyways, blend away. my loves, so I was very nervous about trying this. It's the Laura Mercier setting powder, and it's my first time opening it. It's the translucent one. I don't get the medium deep because it's too dark for me, so I just go with the translucent one. Okay, so I just put that under my eyelids. I really don't bake anymore, especially because I have dry skin, so I don't want to bake too long because I'm not really, I don't get oily anywhere, so I really just blend it in. I don't dust it off really. But yeah, just put that under your eyes, set your eyes, make sure you don't have any creasing. And the Laura Mercier, I've seen it on other videos where it can create a cast. If it does, either way, I'm still gonna go in and put in my darker setting powder. Okay guys, this is my Fit Me setting powder, and I am using the 20, I think it's called light medium or something like that. I'm gonna tone that down a little bit because I don't want a cast on my face. I mean, it really doesn't look like a cast, I don't know, but I still do it. Right now, if I were you, I would go on Morphe's website right now. They have 50% off on all the setting sprays. So this is normally $16. They got it on sale for $8. So definitely take advantage of it. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys liked the look. I should have named myself Babyface, like my YouTube name, Babyface or Dollface, because I always get that nickname for some reason. But yeah, bye guys. Love you.